Hi, my name is Theo. I'm the year custodian to have contribute to the Every Child Every Day campaign. I built a lemonade stand to raise the money. Let me show you the impact of our support. Come on! From the spectacular new lobby complete with a dreamy centerpiece, to the fully modernized emergency department, to the outpatient clinic with a room and inviting feel, including the expanded Tomorrow Fun Clinic with a new entrance, to the colorful patient floors with additions to bring the elements of home to the hospital, the pediatric ICU, pre and post surgery areas, and the Billy's Healing Garden. The transformation that was just a vision a few years ago is now a reality. Thanks for coming out to tell you guys. See you later!